Honey has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties that can help with sore throats, digestive issues, and healing wounds. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help with pain relief and may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties that can help with digestive issues and reduce muscle soreness. Garlic contains compounds that can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as well as having antiviral and antibacterial properties. Echinacea is known to boost the immune system and help to prevent colds and flus. It is known to have anti-inflammatory properties which help to reduce symptoms of sore throat, sinusitis, and hay fever.